Hey guys, for this video, I'm going to show you how you can get email notifications in your desktop. So first, you're going to go to the settings, then click on see all settings, then you want to scroll down a little, and you will see the desktop notification, and you have three options here. And of course, the first option is turn the mail notifications off, but the other options are you can choose to get notifications from new emails or just get notifications from the important emails. And then after you've chosen your option, you just want to click here to enable the stop notifications for Gmail, because this is the website settings for the notifications. So it will pop up, then just click on allow. Then you can also choose to have a email notification sound. Then you can also change the sound to whatever option you want, or you can also choose to not have any notification sound. And then after that, just scroll to the very bottom, then click on save changes. So that's it. Thanks for watching.